Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can get a half a step down setting on your Digitech Bass Whammy. Now, this is a pretty iconic pedal, and it's got a couple different settings, but the second down and the second up basically means that when the expression pedal is up, it is whatever you're tuning for your bass is, and you push the pedal all the way down. And if it's on second down, if you are tuned to E standard, it'll bring it down to D standard. So I have a tuner here. There's my A. And then if I turn this on, it'll bring it down to G. So it brings the bass, basically tunes it down a full step. Unfortunately, this does not have a half step down feature, and I actually made a homebrew solution to where I can lock the expression pedal in just the right enough position on the second down setting when my bass is tuned to E standard that it will bring it down to E flat standard without having to mess around or adjust the expression pedal to get to that point. And this is what I used. And what I used are these that I found off of Amazon. It's in the link below. I was not able to find them where you can buy just maybe a 5-pack or something. This is about $18 to $20 and you get like 25 of them. But I basically made one here. I actually had to cut a part of it off so that it could fit underneath the expression pedal. And when I got the adjustment just right for the spacing, now I was going to measure it, but due to the manufacturing tolerances, the millimeters that I measure here is going to be slightly different. My suggestion would be to adjust with the tuner on the output, make sure that your bass is in tune, and then when you eventually get it to where it is the right height to lock under the expression pedal, then that's when I took a little bit of hot glue just to hold it in place, and now this is ready to go at a moment's notice for half a step tuning. So the way I do it here, I just put this end, because there's a little bit of webbing underneath the expression pedal, so now, like that, there's my A, and now we're a half a step down, and it's exactly in tune. Now the whole bass is tuned a half a step down for that one or two songs that you need to play in a half step. Now with this setup, if I needed to go and tune a half a step without having to mess with the intonation on my bass, I'm in E standard, I press the button, engages the pedal, and now we're in E flat standard for the entire bass. And then by the click of a button. That's pretty cool. Now conversely, if you wanted to set this to second up, and if my bass was tuned a half a step down and I needed to tune up to 440, for example, in order to play that song, the same rule applies. And then you can see how looks like my E string's a little flat, but now everything is exactly in tune for 440 if my bass was tuned a half a step down. For better perspective, this is what it looks like. I had to cut that little piece there, as you can see, in order to fit in between the webbings of the expression pedal, but with the right amount of space. I can't do it with one hand, but I can show you. With the expression pedal all the way down, it holds the pedal in exactly the position for that half a step. Well guys, I'm going to end the video there. It's not the most perfect solution. There is, if you heard in that last segment, there is a tiny bit of latency delay with using a pedal like this, but we're talking in the tens of milliseconds, so pocket players may not like this pedal, which that's okay. But in a pinch, when you're playing live, you're probably not going to notice it that much. And it works great because I'm one of those guys where I have a lot of basses that are tuned to 440. I do have a couple of them set up for half a step and then drop C sharp tuning standard. But instead of having to change your basses every time you have to go and play that one specific song instead of swapping out, this pedal has come in really handy, and that half a step function is now available to me if I need it. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I'll see you guys on the next project.